Today we are going to show you the performance of XAUUR Gold Robot version 9.1. It is optimized to trade the gold pair on H1 timeframe and requires only $1,000 minimum capital to get started. Its standard price is $699. We are offering it for only $25. Do not miss this incredible opportunity. Contact us on Telegram for further details. Let's take a closer look at how the EA is performing live in real market conditions. It has demonstrated exceptional 14,501% growth. Risk is tightly controlled with 10% drawdown. Now we will check its input detail. $276 net profit, 96% profit trades, 17% drawdown.